Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two trading profile account, which is Topstep and Apex. So let's quickly dive into it to help you decide which of these trading platform would be a better choice for you. So let's get started. Topstep in 2025 is one of the most reputable feature profile, known for its clear combined evaluation, strong coaching support, and reliable payout with profit split up to 90%. It's great for tick traders who want structured and a proven track record, plus flexibility with no strict deadlines. The trade-off is cost monthly subscription, data fee, and strict daily drawdown rules can make it expensive sometimes and frustrating to maintain consistency. Talking about Apex, on the other hand, Apex trader funding has a surge in popularity with lower entry fee, frequent discount, and generous payout up to 100% on the first $25,000 account and around 90% afterward. It's attractive for traders who want affordable access and a quick scaling opportunity. However, it's newer compared to Topstep. So with more reports of platform quack and customer support issue. So in short, Topstep offer a stability and trust, while Apex is the budget-friendly choice with higher update but slightly more risky. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.